This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend taking, it's not necessary but it will definitely help you avoid some of the issues that might occur, is to enable the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then amongst the available control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share. Here it is in my case, and touch and hold at its icon. In order to activate the nearby share, you gotta simply turn on this switch over here. And at this point, the feature is more or less set up and is ready to be used. But there are still a few configurations that we can make, such as setting up the custom device name. So I'll rename it to HardReset.Info. Then you can make your device visible or invisible for others, as well as restrict its visibility to only your devices, only your contacts, or not restrict it at all and let your phone be discovered by everyone who is in range. Then you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and well, you're all set and the nearby share feature is ready to be used. Let's go ahead and quickly test it out. So let's say I'll send this screenshot from my other phone that I have. So share, nearby share. So here is my Xiaomi, so I sent it the, transfer request. Here it is. Then accept the file transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to be sent and received, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.